Friends, welcome to all of you in my channel, an intermediate Vedic Mathematics course. Today, before we start our today's session, we'll see what we have done in our last session. In our last session, we have done multiplication of numbers which are below base and where the base is more than 100, like 200, 300, 400, 500, up to 900. That's what we have seen in our last time. So what are we going to do today? In our today's session, we will see the multiplication of numbers which are above base. Earlier it was below base, now it is above base, and the base is more than 10. That is from 20 to 90. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, up to 90. Right? So we are going to see how to multiply numbers which are above base and the base is more than 10, right? Well, so we'll first make a recapitulation that earlier when you have seen multiplication numbers which are above base and the base was 10, how we did it. For example, if we take an example, say for example, so here we are going to find out the base when the base is 20, 30, 40 and up to 90, like that. We're going to see above base. So in case where the base is 10, I'll take an example. The example is, say for example, we want to multiply 11 with 12. Here the base is 10. What we did, the difference from 11 from the base, how do you find out? 11 minus 10 is plus 1 and 12 minus 10 is plus 2. Then we make cross subtraction. Cross addition here because it is a positive sign. If it is minus, it is cross subtraction. If it is plus, it is cross addition. So 12 plus 1 is 13 or 11 plus 2 is 13. It's the same in all the cases. So the first part of the answer is 13. And then the second part of the answer is 1 into 2, that is 2. And you see in the base there is 1 0. So you can very well write 1 digit here. So the answer was 132. That's how we did in case of the base when the base was 10, right? That's how we did. Now we'll see how it is differentiated when the base is 20 or anything more than that. So let us try to see how we can multiply the number when the base is 20, right? So let us see now. Let us take an example, 21 and 22. Well, here base is 20. Now, since the base is 20, we'll find the difference of this from 20. 21 minus 20 is plus 1. So we write here plus 1. And 22 minus 20 is plus 2. So this is 2 plus 2. So we write here 22 plus 1 or 22, 21 plus 2 or 22 plus 1, all the same 23, it comes to 23. Now multiply this 23 with, since our base is now 20, it is the second multiple of 10, so multiply this with 2. 23 into 2 and then 1 into 2, the second part of the answer. So the first part of the answer is 23 into 2 is 46 and the second part of the answer is 2. In the base there is 1 0, so right here 2, the answer is 462. It's quite simple, right? The only difference here was that from the base 10 that we multiplied this number which comes out of cross addition with 2. All other things remaining the same. So I'll show you another example. Let us try to multiply with 32 with 34. Here the base is 30. So here 32 minus 30 is plus 2, 34 minus 30 is plus 4. So the cross addition, it becomes 32 plus 4, 36, 34 plus 2, 36. So the first part of the answer is 36. But then since the base is 30, which is the third multiple of 10, so we'll multiply this with 3. And the second part of the answer is 2 into 4. Here it comes 36 into 3 is 108. And 4 into 2 is 8. In the base there is 10, so there is no issue. Answer is 1088. Things are very simple. Here we multiplied this with 3. 32, the base is 30. 32 minus 30 is 2. 34 minus 30 is 4. Cross addition 36 into the base is 30, so multiply with 3. Then first part of the answer is 36 into 3. Second part of the answer 2 into 4. 36 into 3 is 108. 4 to the 8. Base there is 10. We write here 8. Answer is 1088. Right? It's quite simple. But you understand the process, then you can do it very easily. Let us do another sum, 48 into 49. 48 into 49. Here the base is 40. In the base is 40, here 48 minus 40 is plus 8. 49 minus 40 is plus 9. Cross addition, make it 57. Both the way it is 57. Write down 57 here, multiplied by, this is the fourth multiple of 10, so you multiply with 4. And the second part of the answer is 8 into 9. Right. So here it becomes 4 7s are 28, 2, 4 5s are 22, 22. 8 9s are 72. In the base there is 10. We can have one digit here. So we'll write 7 here and 2 here. And the answer is 2, 8 7 5 15, 5 1, 2 1 3, 2 2 3, 5 2. Right? That's quite simple, quite easy. Only thing is we multiplied here with 4, that is 1. And the second aspect was 8 into 9 was 72. In the base there is 10. We can have one digit here after 8. So we write 7 below this and 2 here. The total answer, when we add it with this, it becomes 2352. Well, let us see the next question. The last question is that 96 into 98. Here the base is 90. We could have done 50, 60, 70, 80, no issue. Any number, any means 20 to 90, any base, right? Here the base is 90. So 96 minus 90 is plus 6. 98 minus 90 is plus 8. So it becomes cross addition 104. Both the case it is 104. No issue. This multiplied by this ninth multiple of 10. So we multiply this with 9. And the second part of the answer is 6 into 8. Here it's 104 into 9 is 36. 936. And second part of the answer is 6 into 8, 48. The base there is 10. So we can have 4 here and 8 here. We cannot have more than one digit after 6. So we write here 8, 640, 314, 9408 is the answer. So what I did, 96 minus 9 is plus 6, 98 minus 9 is plus 8, cross addition, it becomes 104, 98 plus 6 or 96 plus 8, 104 into, the base is ninth multiple of 10, so multiply this with 9, And the second part of the answer is 6 into 8, 48. This becomes 936. 48 in the base there is 1 0, so we cannot have more than one digit after this. We write 4 below this and 8 here, and it becomes, add it becomes 9408. I hope you have understood. The problems are very simple. Only thing is you have to follow it once. Once you follow it, you can do it very well. But then after that, you need to practice. You'll practice it, otherwise you'll forget it, right? So I'll give you some exercise which you can practice. 37 into 39. 58 into 56. 69 into 62. And 81 into 89. Try these 4 problems. Try it yourself, do it yourself, and then if there is any doubt, that will be cleared only by practicing it. I hope you understand it and you will be able to do it. But if in spite of that there is any problem, there is an issue, any question, please do write in the comments box. I'll reply to your question. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so as yet, hit the bell icon, like and share with others so that others can also learn the Vedic mathematics. Well, what you are going to do next time? Next time, we are going to do something like, again, similar kind of thing, multiplying the numbers above base where the base is more than 100. More than 100 means when the base is 200, 300, 400, 900, etc. Earlier we had seen where the number was below the base. Now we see the number is above base and the base is more than 100. Multiple of 100, more than 100, 200, 300, 400, up to 900. That's what you're going to see our next time. So till the time I meet you again in my next session with the new topics, all the best. Please take care of yourself.